Amanda, a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The vegetable of the week this week are carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A and a source of fiber. When picking out carrots, choose those that are firm, smooth, and well-shaped. The carrots should also be even in color. Avoid carrots that feel soft, limp, or are wilted. If you purchase carrots with green tops, be sure to break off those green tops before storing your carrots in the refrigerator. The tops of the carrots can be chopped up and used in soups or other recipes for some added flavor. Today we're making a vegetable medley with salsa dip. To make vegetable medley with salsa dip, you need one 16-ounce container of fat-free sour cream, and about 2 cups of pico or your favorite salsa. If you don't have pico at home, you can make it by combining some diced tomatoes, some diced onions, jalapeno, some cilantro, lime juice, and a little bit of salt. You'll add your sour cream to a bowl. Add your pico on top or your favorite salsa. Give it a mix. And enjoy with your favorite vegetables. Thank you so much for listening to the Vegetable of the Week. Looking forward to seeing you at the Dodge Park Farmers Market.